Normally in Lodestar you would get started by selecting a template. There are various templates. I'm simply clicking on them, and then once you're satisfied that you've chosen the correct template, go ahead and create project based on that template. But for this exercise, what we're going to do is open an existing project. My recently used projects are listed right here under File in the most recently used list. I'll click on the Declarative Knowledge project so you can see this thing is built with gates, with flashcards, with different sections. And it's quite a rich application. What we're going to do is prepare it for upload to a learning management system, and we'll choose Moodle to demonstrate this. So I'm in the project. It's called Declarative Knowledge. I'll click on Export. What this will do is save the project. I'll then type in a module topic and author name. So I'll call this Instructional Strategies. This is the Declarative Knowledge Challenge. And my name is Bob. By default, SCORM 1.3 is selected, and that's what we want. Create export, we're done. No need to fill in an IMS manifest, simply these three fields, we're done. Now we'll switch over to Moodle. And what I'll do is open a new tab, type in a demo Moodle site, log in, and here I'll log in as a teacher with a password. And there's a demonstration course. I'll turn editing on. And now I can simply, so I'll choose to add an activity or resource to this module. Now you'll see this list. What I'm looking for is the word SCORM. Here it is, SCORM package. SCORM is the specification that Lodestar follows and that the learning management system follows. So I'll go ahead and add. I'll call this Declarative Knowledge. I'll go ahead and type a description. Normally you would type in a much larger description. I accidentally hit enter there, by the way. Now I'll go ahead and click on the package file, upload a file, and I want to browse. So I've set up Lodestar to write to my Google Drive, and so I have my projects sitting on my Google Drive. But what I'm interested in is not my projects folder. I'm interested in my exports folder. So Google Drive, Lodestar, projects, exports. And if I open up exports, there's my Declarative Knowledge zip file, which is SCORM conformant. And then I'll go ahead and upload that file. I'm on a pretty slow connection. If you're working from within your school, within your university, or college, this will happen very quickly. In my case, I'm currently sitting in my home office with a very slow connection. So we'll give it a second. Again, what we're looking for is essentially the SCORM package upload. When Lodestar exports, it automatically creates an IMS manifest, packages everything up in a zip file with the manifest and all the ingredients that it needs. So we're done with that. And now what I'll do is save and display. What I can do is I can affect its appearance, and so displaying the package in a new window is often a good idea. Display course structure on entry page. I can. You can decide to do that or not. So we'll go ahead and save and display. And now what I'll do is go ahead and preview. So here's the declarative knowledge challenge over here. The activity is loading. And there it is. Again, I'm on a very slow connection. Here we can see it. We can see that it's functional. You can see all the parts. So that's essentially it. So we opened a project within Lodestar. We then chose the export button, filled in the fields that we needed, clicked on create export once we were done. Very, very simple process. Then we came into Moodle, and with Moodle the key was that we essentially added an activity or resource, and we chose SCORM package. We then browsed for our zip file and brought it in. Very simple process.